What's up, guys? We are working on this cool Mongoose frame today. So this thing is from 1984. It's an M1 Mongoose, and we applied the stickers. This is the original badge, and we are going to throw a bunch of parts on it. So let's get to showing you what we're going to add. So we have this SR stem. We have a Diacomp clamp, Black Ops layback seat post. We have all the hardware from the crank. We have a SE lightning bolt seat. We got the Mongoose fork, the original fork. We got these cool pads, Mongoose brand new grips. Check these out. These are from the early 2000s. Those are pretty sweet. And then we got the stem pad. We got some bars, and then we have the let me show you these. These are the SE bear trap pedals right there. Those are gonna look sick. And then we have some Suzu hubs with some Kenda tires, and that is the Sugino crank. So this is going to be a sweet build. Kind of cool to do such an early Mongoose. We haven't done one of these in a long time. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We finished up this cool Mongoose M1 1984. Came out looking superb. There's some really nice stuff on it, so I'm going to go through everything with you. First, we applied the decals. They came out looking really nice, and this is the original badge, which is cool too. So I think we'll start at the top. Check out this new old stock Mongoose grips. Those are from the early 2000s. They look great on it. This is a stock lever, and these are the pad set that was ordered from the US. Stem pad 2, SR stem, some chrome bars, original headset. These are the original forks. Cool Suzu hubs with some chrome Sumo rims and some Kenda tires with a skin wall. Moving in the middle, we put on the brand new SE bear trap pedals, Sugino 3-piece crank, brand new KMC chain, Diacomp MX clamp, Black Ops layback post, and an SE lightning bolt blitz seat. Diacomp brake on the back, Kenda tire again, and then the same Suzu Sumo rim and some Pro Max chain tensioners. So this bike came out looking great. We are going to post some more Mongoose builds for you above. Check them out, watch them, give us some comments. Let us know what you think of this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys.